Hi everyone, I am Dr. K. Rani, Assistant Professor, Department of Commerce, Dr. S.N.S. Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science. Today, my subject name is Indian Economy. My topic name is Cottage Industries. An introduction to Indian cottage industry. The cottage industry is a small manufacturing units of goods and service with traditional or low technology equipment. The cottage industry is an industry where craftsmanship work are done such as handloom, cotton weaving, poverty, etc. These types of cottage industry can be set up in a home or any suitable place. Here, the workers use traditional types of equipment. The cottage industry are a backbone of the rural economic of the country. The cottage industry in India are associated with some development programs like poverty programs, community development programs, and integrate rural development. Example of such industry are the industries of milk food processing industry, powerloom industry, handloom industry, oilseed industry in Gujarat, stone cutting, handcraft industry, carbon making industry in Rajasthan, handloom and powerloom milk-based industry in Uttar Pradesh. Cottage industry are not capable of mass production. Their production rate is very slow in comparison to big factories and mills because of the lack of modern technologies and equipment. Some other important cottage industry, Indian are lock and key making, pottery, washing, soap making, handmade paper industry, button industry, corn cell industry, etc. Major types of cottage industry in India. Different types of industry fall under the cottage of industry. Some of the important cottage industry are mentioned below. Cotton weaving industry. India in the second position in the production of fabric in the world and the major fabric produced in cotton. Cotton garments and manufacture worldwide. Cottage industry are set on both domestic industries and large scale industry level. Silk industry. The silk industry has a unique position in the cottage industry of India. The silk industry is operating in around 54,000 villages all over the country. The industry is providing job opportunities and source of livelihood for more than 6 million people in the rural area of the country. The silk industry has grown domestically and internationally. A various of silk such for the production in the country. Carbon industry. The carbon industry is running in India since ancient time. It is one of the old type of cottage industry. It was introduced by Emperor Akbar in India. Carbon weaving requires skillful workers. The carbon industry is leading as an export industry. Carbon prepared in India are exporting globally to around 200 units. Leather industry. This industry is an employment focused industry in India. It holds a significant position in the Indian economy. It provides job to more than 4 million people in the country. India is leading internationally in leather production. India is the second largest production in footwear, the second largest exporter of garment made from leather, the third largest exporter for sandalary and harness item, and the fifth large exporter of the leather goods. Handcraft industry. The handcraft cottage industry in this traditional industry of India. The handcraft production include bamboo product, metalware, woodware, hand print textile, marble sculpture, painting and jewelry, etc. It is a rapidly growing industry in India that provide employment to millions of people. It need low capital investment to start the handcraft industries. Important fact about Indian cottage industry. The following are some important facts about Indian cottage industry. Cottage Industry Board was established in 1949 for the development of skill industry in India. For promoting the handcraft business, All India Handloom Board was established in 1950. The Village Industry Commission was formed in 1957 during the second 5-year plan of India. Advantage of cottage industry. The cottage industry has certain advantages which are given below. The cottage industry can be set up at home. There is no need for any big locations to start the business. It can be initiated with the help of family members, and later when the business grown, other workers can be hired. The operating cost of a cottage industry is not high. The cottage industry has positive impact of the rural economy. The rural farmers are not able to make their two ends meet. The cottage industry support them financially. The cottage industry provide local product. The food product of cottage industry used to freshly made from local integrate. The cottage enjoy high quality product. The cottage industry provide quality product because most product are made one by one. Buyer often attract to handmade items. In the world of modernization, there are many large factories and mills with big machines, smoking and hundred and thousand of workers. The condition of the cottage industry in India is not very good. Every effort should be made in order to cottage industry. It is also not possible to establish large industry everywhere. At the same time, cottage industry can start the home. After getting a brief account on the cottage industry in India, it can be concluded that both industries are essential for the development of the nation. Thank you.